I am going to remove my stock exhaust, and I gave myself the rule that I have to do as much of it as possible upside down. Why, you might ask? Because I have free will, and that is how I'm choosing to use it. Then I'm going to install my brand new LeoVinci Corsa exhaust. I think it's Vinci. I've heard people say LeoVince, LeoVinci, LeoVinci. I'm going with LeoVinci, and I hope that's right. You wanna know my favorite part about this whole video is that Smudge, the cat in this video, and he's my neighbor's cat, but he hangs out with me the entire time I'm doing this. And that is just so dang cute. These freaking jeans have a hole in them in kind of a weird spot. It's like high enough to be awkward, but low enough to not be inappropriate. And I always forget that it's there until I'm wearing them. And then I don't know why. And then I'm like, well, I'll wash it and so that I can fix them. And then I wash them and they end up back with my clothes. And this has literally been happening for like 8 years. So, you know, we'll see. Maybe one day I'll remember that they have a hole in them. And then at the end, there is a sound check, of course, comparison, and it is, night and day. Oh my god. Spoiler alert, I freaking love it. Okay, I don't really have anything else to say. So I'm gonna shut up and you can just listen to music and watch me be a doofus, I guess.